This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update maps on your Hyundai Palisade. Keeping your navigation system current ensures you have the most accurate road information and access to new features. This do-it-yourself process is quite simple and can significantly improve your driving experience. We will go through each step, from preparing your computer to installing the update in your vehicle, making it easy for you to follow along. First, you will need to download the necessary files. Head to the official Hyundai Navigation Update website on your personal computer. Download and install the Navigation Updater software, available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Next, prepare a USB drive. It should have at least 64 gigabytes of space and be formatted to exFAT. Log into your My Hyundai account through the updater, select your Palisade, and download the map files directly to your prepared USB drive. This download can take over an hour. Now it is time to install the update in your vehicle. Crucially, ensure your Hyundai Palisade's engine is running for the entire duration of the update to prevent any power interruptions. Locate the data USB port in your center console, typically the one used for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and insert your prepared USB drive. Navigate to the Setup menu on your infotainment screen, then General, and finally System Info or Software Update. Follow the clear on-screen instructions to initiate the installation. The installation process in your Palisade can vary, typically taking anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on the update size. Once complete, the system will restart. You can then verify the successful update by checking the map version in your system information settings. Remember to periodically visit the Hyundai Update website for future map and software releases, as they often occur twice a year. If you ever feel unsure about the process, your local Hyundai dealership can also perform the update for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.